When you're hungry, you don't want to choose between filling your body with junk or settling for the same old boring health food. You're dedicated to eating nutritious, wholesome paleo foods your body needs to be at its best, but don't have time to waste trying to figure out complicated recipes. You need a convenient resource for enticing, easy-to-prepare dishes. With tantalizing photos and clear instructions, the easy-to-use Paleo Grubs book is exactly what you're looking for. The Paleo Grubs book contains more than 470 recipes in 17 comprehensive categories, ready to satisfy the biggest hunger or smallest craving. Choose from mouth-watering paleo options like pulled pork tacos with mango salsa, chicken pot pie, banana nut muffins, coconut lime energy bites, and even strawberry shortcake. With a wealth of easy-to-follow recipes at your fingertips, you can stop stressing about your food. Start enjoying the healthy, energetic body, weight loss, mental sharpness, and positive attitude you gain from eating only wholesome, natural ingredients that truly nourish. If you get the Paleo Grubs book today, you'll also receive these free bonuses. A 10-week meal plan, that's 70 days of planned paleo meals, including shopping lists for each week. Paleo desserts, with over 45 healthy dessert options. And slow cooker meals, with 30 easy-to-prepare, set-it-and-forget-it dinners. Eating the foods that help you thrive doesn't have to be a chore. Click below right now to get access to the Paleo Grubs book and discover how easy and delicious wholesome eating can be.